Implementation of LRU. LRU is least recently used page replacement algorithm. LRU is used to calculate the page fault. It takes the input from user, the number of frames, the number of pages in reference string, and the reference string. Then we use linked list to represent the frames. Then initialize a counter for the counting the page fault. We iterate for each page of reference string. It check if the page is not in frame. If the frame are full, remove the least recently used page. Add the current page to the end of frame and increment the page fault. If the page is already in the frame, move it to the end of the frames. After, print the current state of frames. And in last, display the total page fault and page fault ratio. Enter the number of frames, number of pages, the reference string, the total page fault is 7.